welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching all sorts of unboxing videos, some product reviews, and a little bit of travel and adventure videos today, you are more than welcome to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, then woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate you guys. With that said, I'm here with a different unboxing, guys. This is not a monthly subscription box, but it is a gift box. So it is called Eco Chic Box. So it's kind gifts for kind souls. That's what the box looks like. Now, before I open the box, I want to tell you guys a little bit about this company. Okay, so let me put on my glasses. I think it'll be better. Okay, so it's welcome to our shop. And before I start giving you guys this information, I will leave you guys everything that you need to know about this box, all the details on the description down below. Okay, so it says welcome to our shop. At Eco Chic Box, we are on a mission to bring to your door a unique gift box filled with a selection of eco-conscious, cruelty-free, and sustainable bath and body products, so you can send a gift to someone special or pamper yourself and glow with pride in your beautiful skin. And they have, once you go into their website, they have different products, they have different kits that they put together. So it's a really nice shop. I would really recommend you guys to go check it out. So with that said, let me go ahead and open the box. So that's what the box looks like, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead. So it says Eco Chic Box, kind gifts for kind souls. And then on the box it says your gift is here. So my first item that I will be pulling out this box, I don't have an information card with prices, but I will leave you guys on the description down below each item and the prices, so you guys so that you guys can more or less see what the prices were. Okay, so with that said, my first item that I received is going to be this right here. And this is it's a makeup eraser. It erases all makeup with just water. Okay. Oh, it is huge. I like that. These are all the different colors that they have. So I'm more than sure that they have them on their website. Oh, this is so soft. It's so nice and soft. So look at this, guys. My first item. Okay, next up we have, let's see what this is. Okay, it's going to be this. It's nicely wrapped on this paper. Oh, I love handmade soaps. So this is an lavender and lime. Oh my God, it smells so good. And the bar is like huge, guys. Let me see if it has here. Net weight, I think it says 5 ounces there or something like that. So it's all handmade, and it's sustainable, and it's all natural. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells good. It smells delicious. My next item is going to be this right here. It's packaged like so nicely. This one is rose geranium and grapefruit. Oh, look how pretty that is, guys. Oh, that is so nice. Oh my goodness. Why do they keep sending me all this stuff that smells so good? It smells so delicious. I'm telling you, I wish I could just send you guys the smell, and you guys can just be like, oh, I know what she means. It smells so good. So another soap bar, right? But there's more stuff in here, guys. So Let's see what else is in here. Make sure there's nothing else. Hold on. Okay, I believe this is my last two items here. So these are Deep Detox Pore Control Raw Juice Mask. It's from H2O, activated charcoal lemon juice. And I received the kale, spinach, broccoli, and apple. It's a green reset anti-aging raw juice mask. Such a cute gift box. Imagine sending this to someone. If someone sends me this, I will be like super grateful and super happy to receive a gift box like that. It's super nice, and I'm sure that you are able to pick your items that you want to put. So it's whatever you would like to spend is what you will spend on this. It doesn't have like this gift box, the name is blah 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 blah, and it's whatever price. You get to pick your items that you want included in your gift box that you are sending to your loved ones, to whoever you wish to send one to. This is really nice. I love all these gift boxes ideas because of all the COVID-19 situation, and I think it's just a nice way just to tell someone that you love them, that you're thinking about them. Maybe on a birthday you can't go and meet like you used to. So I'm really loving the gift boxes idea a lot. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.